My name is Arnaud Alepee. I work for Hokodo. I'm responsible of the data team. So what is Hokodo doing is basically insurance and technology together. Because when we look at the statistics of insolvencies in the UK, we realize that there is actually 1 out of 3 companies going insolvent just because of one invoice not being paid. So we realize that there is a really underinsured market, which is small businesses. So what we're offering to the small business is the ability to invoice one invoice at a time, so they can be ensured that if someone doesn't pay them, we will cover them to be able to be paid. And that will remove all the small business going insolvent, so they can really focus on the business instead of being worried about chasing invoices. We're offering an insurance product, but we want to be a digital insurance product. So it means we need to be able to offer that product with the best user experience to our customers. And that's why we're using due deal, because to be able to offer invoice protection, we want to be able to only retrieve as little information from the customer. So only 5 data points, and I can in real time, using these 5 data points and call the API from due deal, retrieve all the information I need and then push back a quote to the customers in less than a second. And if we were to do that without due deal, we'll have to do it manually. That would take a couple of days. But thanks to due deal and their API, we can use them and offer invoice protection to SMEs in a matter of seconds. We'd love to work with due deal for 2 main reasons. The first one is from a technology point of view. So today we're using the API, which is really well documented. You can be ready and go to prod in a very short time because everything is kind of seamless for developers. So that was really good for us to be able to trade using due deal and the API. We've been able to really tackle that integration challenge in very short time. And the other thing is really customer service. So we work really close with the due deal staff. When we have a question, we can ask them. When there's an issue, we escalate really quickly. And this is being super useful because we're a very small structure and it doesn't feel like we're just a small customer for due deal. They pay a lot of attention, and that's really appreciated. For us, one of our key strategy point was our time to market. And thanks to API and due deal technology, we've been able to be able to trade in really a couple of months, being able to build the product, build our own API, but also using the due deal API. So that was really a big impact for us because it's such a hot market as well. We wanted to be on the market as quickly as we can, and thanks to due deal, we've been able to do so. We're entering more markets because we get quite a lot of traction in the UK, and then we've been able to use that a bit like customer success, if you like. It's kind of tell stories in France to different partners. We've done that in the UK, it's working really well. We could do that for you. So it's much easier to talk to someone about something you already did instead of just going with something new.